Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got the Lookfantastic Beauty Vault for 2025. It was released a couple of days ago. It costs £150. It contains 15 full-size products and it has a value of £705. If you are a subscriber, then you automatically get a discount. I believe it's £10 at checkout. As always, after watching this, you're interested in purchasing this for yourself, then you will find links to it down below in my description, and you'll see all my other Lookfantastic discount codes and offers, including a giveaway I'm going to be putting up in the next couple of days to win an advent calendar over on Instagram. You'll find it all listed down below, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's open it up. This is the first time actually I'm opening it up, so I hope everything's inside. Oh, I like this. I like this design. So we got one drawer down here there, so you can have a proper look. So it's a really nice keepsake chest, isn't it? So where should we start? Should we go up here first? So we got Bleach London Reincarnation Mask. It's for your hair. You need a second chance. Resurrect dry, damaged, bleach or coloured hair. It's vegan, cruelty free. And there's 200 mils here. This is a really good mask. I've had this in different beauty boxes over the years, and it is a really good one. But since I've been having tape in hair extensions, I haven't really been putting any masks on my hair at all. I don't want any of the masks to loosen the glue. They shouldn't do. It's oil, really, I've got to be careful with. I'm having my tapes out in a couple of weeks' time, and then I'm not going to have them in for a month or so. So that is my time to get all the masks on my head. The resurrection starts here. Repair and hydrate damaged or bleached hair with a moisturising mask. Enrich with sunflower seed extracts and micro wheat proteins to help protect the hair structure, strengthen colour and reduce fade in. It says use whenever your hair feels parched. Leave on your hair for about 20 minutes, ideally wrapped in a warm towel, and then rinse. Alright, so we've got Grande Lash MD. This is by Grande Cosmetics. It's a lash enhancing serum. America's #1 lash and brow serum brand. It's a clear serum and it's a 3-month supply. I'm sure we had this in last year's vault. I'm sure, and I'm sure we've had this as well, the Morphe palette. I'm going to have to look back at my videos. This, you think I'm weird. This wrapping is always really tough to get off. And oh my gosh, it's going through me now. I've had this a few times in different beauty boxes or advent calendars, and I tend to use my teeth to get these sort of wrappers off. But this one, it goes through you because it's like metal packaging. Oh, and it just goes through me. I can't even open it with the scissors. It is a bit of a nightmare. But do you know what? I'm going to leave it as it is and I'm going to pass that on. I'll gift that for someone. So there's that. Right, well, let's get them out there or move them along. There's lots of these red worms and it is literally like a lucky dip. Do you remember those when you were a kid in parties? Where you couldn't see anything, where you had to put your hand in, rummage around to get a prize, or like in fairs, things like that. I don't want to miss anything, so if I just put everything that I've opened there, and this is not, right. We got Fenty Beauty. This is Glass Bomb Sticks, High Shine Gloss Stick in Tulip Kiss. Love, love, love Fenty Beauty. And the gloss sticks are really nice. I was worried about the colour then, but I think it would be alright. You're seeing it before me, but I think that would be alright for me. If it was more like this colour, I think it will just wash me out. But what's it like? It's alright. Let me try some on top of the lipstick I got. I love this on top of the lipstick. I can't remember what lipstick I had. It's a NARS Power Matte, but I can't remember the shade of it now. But this is so nice. It feels nice, but it's just toned my lipstick down a bit and obviously given it some gloss. Yeah, I love that. Then we've got Makeup Forever, and this is Mist and Fix 24-hour hydrating setting mist. And there's 100 mils there. So hydrating setting mist. Woo! Let's see what the spray's like. Ooh! Yeah, it's all right. It is on the powerful side, but not too much. Not really. And I haven't got eyelashes on today. Completely forgot. I don't feel quite right unless I got my lashes on. I don't wear them like day to day if I'm just in the house. If I'm doing videos or if I'm going out, if I'm going shopping or whatever, then I do like to have a bit of lash on and it just feels so weird. I don't need them. It's fine. Yeah, that feels nice, that spray on my face. We've got MZ Skin by Dr. Maram Zamani. Vitamin Infused Meso Face Mask. Soothing and Hydrating Hydrogel Face Mask. 12 mils there, full of serum. No extra information on the back besides showing you what to do and how to use it. So you leave it on your face for 15 minutes and then chill and then rinse off. Then we've got Aromatherapy Associates, and this is Revive Body Oil, Energize and Awaken. And there's 100 mils there. Some Aromatherapy Associates scents I'm not that keen on, but I do really like this one. It is quite uplifting, and I think it's got grapefruit in it. You can see the mess on the bottle. That's the only thing with a glass bottle and oil. It contains an invigorating blend of grapefruit, rosemary and juniper to help visibly enhance the appearance of texture of skin. Nourishing linseed helps improve dull looking skin, whilst jojoba and peach kernels leave skin feeling smooth and soft. Yeah, it smells really nice. All right then, let's go on to some makeup. We've got Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Brow Genius Brow Serum. And yeah, I'm going to have to wipe my hands because the oil is getting everywhere. So this is a daily conditioning serum for brows. Well, this is a bit weird, isn't it? Why have we got 2 brow serums? Oh, this is lash. Okay. Lash and brow though. Aren't they the same thing? Maybe not. I don't know. Too much. They don't tend to really work for me. I've got loads of hormonal issues and I have tried them in the past and they haven't worked. They might do now, who knows? But yeah, that's what it looks like there. So this is specifically for your brow. My eyelashes might have a better chance of growing back than my eyebrows. Obviously, you know, like over plucking them when I was younger and all that, that's not going to encourage hair growth back. Once they're gone, aren't they? I don't know. Any of you brow experts, let me know. Then we got Rodial. This is Bee Venom Firming Eye Cream, Revitalise and Firm. And it's 25 mils there. I haven't been telling you the prices. This is worth £145. That's mad, isn't it? A firming eye cream. Revitalise and Firm. I don't think I've ever tried this one. I've tried other products in the Bee Venom range. You just apply it as you normally would an eye cream. A little bit around your eyes. So the cream works to rejuvenate your skin's elasticity as well as smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So there's that. Shall I just quickly tell you the prices of the other products that we've already unboxed? Grande Lash Serum with £62. Brow Genius Serum by Anastasia Beverly Hills, £61. The body oil, £60. The facial mist, £28. The sheet mask, £25. The Fenty Gloss Stick, £23. The hair mask, £10. And now onto the Morphe palette, and this is £14. So this is 90 Neutral Territory Artistry palette. I'm sure we had one. Or am I thinking the Lookfantastic advent calendar? They all roll into one, I can't remember. Looking on the back there, the shades do look nice. So that's what it looks like. You get a mirror. And those are the shades. Whoa, look at that. That is so pigmented with no fallout. That's so lovely. But then I have applied that to my oiled hand. So let's do the same on my other hand. So it just goes to show if you've got like a primer or something on your eyelids beforehand, the shadows will look a lot nicer. But that's still good, especially the dark, especially the black one. Yeah, it's a nice palette with some really nice shades in there. But I'm dying to find out if we did have it last year. It could well be a Morphe palette, but just a different shade. So there's that, and that's the top shelf done. So let's move down here. I'll just clean my hands. Zellens, and this is Power D Vitamin D Concentrate, Fortifying and Restoring. And this is worth £125. It's a high-potency provitamin D3 concentrate enriched with replenishing lipids structurally similar to those found in the skin, infused with proprietary complex of botanicals rich in plant sterols. This unprecedented fortifying and restoring treatment helps to strengthen skin's natural barrier, build its resilience, and protect skin against environmental aggressors and stress conditions. Leaves skin supple, plumper, and healthy looking. Dermatologist tested, recommended for normal dry skin, compromised and problem skin. And I said all that with a little hair annoying me. Look at the bottle. I love the packaging. Can you see clearly the bottom of it? It's a glass bottle inside a glass bottle. So we've got a vitamin D serum. We've got Medicate, my favourite skincare brand. And we've got Daily Radiance Vitamin C Texture Cream with SPF 30. It's a 2-in-1 moisturiser. So it should be really handy when I've got this at the minute. I've got the C Tetra Advanced Serum, so when that runs out, I'll be using this one. This is worth £59 and it's a brightening, sun protecting, hydrating moisturiser there by Medicate. Then we've got a Style Pro, a mini device, mini microcurrent facial toning device. It says this is worth over £29. Okay. It firms and tones. It has 3 intensity levels. I use a microcurrent device myself. I use a Zip Halo, which is amazing. I love it. I'll always be using it. Oh my gosh, this is cute. This is like travel size friendly, although my Zip Halo is small, but this is smaller. But yeah, I've got to be careful because I've got broken capillaries on my cheeks and I can't use any device on the cheeks. But look how small this is. And it's in the shape of a heart. That is so cute. You need a conductive gel. Normally, there is a charging cable there. There's no gel with it. There's a carry bag inside as well. The microcurrents are less effective on dry skin. Do not use a device without serum. Yeah, all right, so use any serum then. And there's a QR code there to scan for more information. But yeah, so essentially with my Zip Halo, it has a 4-minute timer built into it, so I don't know if this does or not. I haven't read the full instructions, but I just go up and down, up and down. And then I do the other side and down. Don't do the neck because you can't go over your thyroid with them. But then, yeah, just up and down. So I do my jaw. And then I go on my forehead like this. And then I just go back and forth. And then I push up as well. I'd love to be able to do my cheeks, to carve some cheekbones. I can't do it because of my broken capillaries, which is annoying. I'm going to look into that a little bit more. That is so small and nice and easy to carry with you. £29, that's a bargain, isn't it? Oh, there's a big booklet in there as well. So there's that. There is a big difference in price with the one I use. But anyway, now moving on, we got Rituals. And this is Ritual of Ayurveda, Rejuvenating Body Scrub, Punjabi Pink Salt and Sweet Almond. And there's 300 mils here. And this is worth £18. This smells really nice. There, you can hopefully see. It leaves a gorgeous film on your body. It feels nice and soft. It does leave like an oily film on your skin. You're not sticky or anything, but it's just, oh, it's just really nice and soft. I love it. I really do love it. And this scent, the Ritual of Ayurveda, is really nice. And then we've got Sol de Janeiro. This is Brazilian Play body wash, Charosta 62 fragrance, moisturizing body wash, hydrates, softens, and it's antioxidant rich with acai oil and nourishing Kapuwaku butter. And it's 385 mils. The Delicia Drench Sol de Janeiro body wash in the shower at the minute. I had that recently. I can't remember where. I think it's an advent calendar and it's so, so nice. This is with £23. So I can't wait to put that one down there as well because I like the smell of that one. And then the last item in the vault is by Colour Wow, so it's a hair product. This is extra large bombshell volumizer, and this is worth £24. Secret to big bombshell volume that lasts for days without compromising on hair quality. This breakthrough formula is made without alcohol, salt or drying resins, so unlike typical volumizers, it won't leave your hair dry, dull or stiff. Instead, this weightless foam gives you massive oomph that's super luxe, glossy, healthy looking and lasts for days. So there you go. Those are all the items inside this year's Lookfantastic Beauty Vault. It costs £150, has a value of £705 and contains 15 full-size products. But yeah, I think there's some really lovely products in there, but I'd love to hear what you think. So please comment down below and thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.